How to choose local currency on Revolut. Revolut is a global neobank and financial technology company that offers banking services for retail customers and businesses. Its mobile app supports spending and ATM withdrawals in 120 currencies and transfers in 29 currencies directly from the app. In this video, we're going to talk about on how to choose your local currency on Revolut. Open the Revolut app on your device. Tap on the Accounts tab at the bottom of the screen. Select the account for which you want to change the currency. Tap on the currency symbol or the currency option. Choose your desired local currency from the list of available options. Then, confirm the selection. Your account will now display and transact in your chosen local currency. Thank you so much for watching.